First, create a Conga solution. Test it thoroughly, making sure it works with the Launch Composer button. Then, copy your button URL into a text editor and save it for later. Go to Salesforce Flow, or go to Salesforce Setup, go to Flows, and create a new flow. This will be a screen flow. And we'll start by creating two new resources. First resource will be a variable. We'll call it account ID. Make sure it's available for input. We'll create a second resource, which will be a formula field, which will also be a text field. And here, we'll actually copy the button URL from our text editor and convert it to a formula. The formula syntax is different in that each line is using a quote separated with an ampersand, and you will need the URL encode feature for the API server URL. In the ID field, use the new account ID variable that we just created. We'll add a new element for getRecord. We'll add a quick filter for account type. Choose the field that we want to assign to. In this case, we want the ID to go into our account ID variable. We'll create a new element for screen. Select a redirect URL, label our flow, and we'll set the URL to redirect to. We'll save our flow. And activate it. Once it's activated, we'll go to the master object, in this case account, go to buttons, links, and actions, and create a new action. In the new action, we'll reference a flow, in this case composer button, and we'll label it composer 2. Once the action has been created, go to page layouts, select your account layout, select mobile lightning and actions, search for your composer button, place it on your page layout. Go to account on your account object. You'll now see the button to launch your screen flow. Launch your screen flow. And the composer will render the document in the background.